Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Suica to Apple Wallet Philippines. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding a Suica card to your Apple Wallet in the Philippines is a bit different since Suica is primarily used in Japan. However, you can still add it by following these steps. Step 1. Ensure compatibility. Make sure you have an iPhone 8 or later or an Apple Watch Series 3 or later with the latest version of iOS or watchOS. Step 2. Open the Wallet app. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app and tap the plus button to add a new card. Step 3. Select Transit Card. Choose Transit Card and then select Suica from the list of options. Step 4. Add funds. Follow the on-screen instructions to add funds to your Suica card. You will need an eligible payment card in your Apple Wallet. Confirm the details and complete the setup process. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.